Before buying dry dog food for your puppy, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many options claim to be the best, but real buyers have concerns that don't always make it to the surface. Product number 1: Diamond Puppy Dry Dog Food. Let's kick things off with the Diamond Puppy Dry Dog Food. Priced at $26.99, this product stood out to me with its focus on quality ingredients. If you want a solid start for your puppy's diet, this is worth a serious look. This food is made with chicken protein as the first ingredient, which is essential for your puppy's muscle development. Plus, it's nutrient-dense, containing DHA for brain development and calcium for strong bones and teeth. And with a blend of probiotics and antioxidants, it supports healthy digestion and a robust immune system. Honestly, with a rating of 4.6 stars from over 6,700 reviews, many pet owners seem to agree this is a great choice. Now, some people complained about the size of the kibble being a bit small for larger breeds. Here's the thing though, smaller kibble is actually beneficial for puppies because it's easier for them to chew and digest. So if you have a giant breed, this might not be the best fit, but for most puppies, it works well. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a balanced, nutrient-rich food for your growing puppy. Skip this one if you have a larger breed that might struggle with smaller kibble. Overall, the value for money here is pretty solid. Now, if you're looking for more unique protein sources, the next product might actually be even better for your pup's development. Product number 2: Taste of the Wild High Prairie. Next up is the Taste of the Wild High Prairie grain-free dry dog food, priced at $59.99. This one really caught my attention with its unique blend of roasted bison and venison. If you want to give your puppy a taste of something special, this is definitely worth a look. Real meat is the one ingredient here, and with a high protein content at 28%, it helps support strong muscles and bones. Plus, the inclusion of omega fatty acids promotes a healthy skin and coat, which is something every puppy owner wants. With proprietary probiotics for digestion and a rating of 4.7 stars from nearly 5,000 reviews, it's clear that this food is designed for health. However, some buyers reported that the price is a bit steep compared to other options. I'll be real with you, while it is pricier, the quality of ingredients and the health benefits it offers can justify the cost, especially for puppies that have specific dietary needs. This is perfect for you if you want to provide a premium diet for your puppy that includes unique protein sources. Skip this if you're on a tight budget and need something more economical. It's definitely an investment, but many find it worth it. Alright, that's a solid option packed with unique flavors, but if you're after something more affordable without skimping on quality, check out the next food on the list. Product number 3: Blue Buffalo Life Protection. Now let's talk about the Blue Buffalo Life Protection Formula Puppy Dry Dog Food, which is priced at $17.48. What really stood out to me here was the use of real chicken as the first ingredient. If you want a trusted brand with quality ingredients, this is worth considering. This formula includes essential fatty acids like DHA and ARA, crucial for your puppy's brain and eye development. It's also packed with antioxidants through its life source bits, which support immune health. With a 4.7-star rating from over 14,900 reviews, it's clear that many pet parents trust this food for their puppies. That said, some users have noted that their puppies can be picky and might not love the taste at first. Here's the thing, though, puppies can take time to adjust to new foods, so it may just require some patience to get them used to it. This is perfect for you if you want a well-rounded, nutrient-rich food that supports your puppy's growth. Skip this if your pup is notoriously picky and you want something they'll gobble up right away. The value for money is excellent, especially for the quality. Moving on from this trusted option, if you want something that emphasizes growth and cognitive development, the next product may be a great fit. Product number 4: Blue Buffalo Baby Blue. Next, we have the Blue Buffalo Baby Blue Natural Dry Food for Puppies, priced at $12.48. I found this product particularly interesting because it's tailored for healthy growth. If you're focused on cognitive development for your puppy, this is definitely a contender. Just like its sibling, this formula starts with real chicken, which is essential for energy and growth. It also contains DHA for cognitive development, ensuring your puppy is growing not just physically, but mentally as well. With a solid 4.7-star rating from 3,600 reviews, it's clear that it's a favorite among owners of young pups. However, some buyers mention that it doesn't come in larger bags, which can be inconvenient for those with multiple puppies or larger breeds. But honestly, if you're looking for a high-quality puppy food, the smaller size may be a non-issue since it allows you to test it out without committing to a larger bag. This is perfect for you if you want to prioritize your puppy's cognitive health and growth. Skip this if you need a large quantity for a big breed, as it's more suited for smaller servings. Overall, it's a solid choice for the price. Now, if you want something with a bit more flavor variety in a small breed package, the last one might just catch your pup's interest. Product number 5, Kibbles N Bits Mini Bits. Finally, we have the Kibbles N Bits Mini Bits priced at just $5.74. This one stood out because of its bacon and steak flavor designed specifically for small breeds. If you want something that your picky eater will enjoy, this could be a winner. Crafted with crunchy and tender bits, this food offers maximum taste, which is crucial for enticing smaller pups who can be particular about their meals. It's formulated for easy chewing, making it a go-to for tiny mouths. With a 4.6-star rating from 3,500 reviews, it's a trusted option for many. But a common complaint is that it's not specifically for puppies and more for adults. Here's the thing, while it's labeled for adults, many owners use it for puppies, especially small breeds, since they tend to enjoy the flavors and textures. This is perfect for you if you have a small breed puppy who loves bold flavors. Skip this if you're focused strictly on puppy-specific nutrition, as it's geared more towards adult dogs. It's a budget-friendly option that still delivers on taste. Now that we've covered these great options, let's wrap things up. So there you have it. We've gone through 5 excellent dry dog foods for puppies. From the Diamond Puppy Dry Dog Food with quality ingredients to the unique proteins in Taste of the Wild and the trusted nutrition of Blue Buffalo, there's something for every puppy's needs. Just remember, whether you're looking for premium options or something budget-friendly, it's all about what works best for your furry friend.